Hello, hi, my name is Linda Jordan, and I just would like to share that Tammy Jaffe is an awesome coach. She held a vision workshop, a Vision 2021 workshop, and it was absolutely amazing. I've done my own vision board. I had my goals and everything that I thought aligned. However, going through Tammy's workshop really put things into perspective for me. In her workshop, she allows you time to reflect back on things that you have done or accomplished, and then start looking at your goals moving forward in the following year, which will be 2021. The one thing that I really loved about Tammy's workshop is creating a bigger vision, not just looking at for the 2021 goals, but looking 3 to 5 to 10 years down the road. And so for me, that was phenomenal. It allowed me to really start really digging deep and thinking about, 10 years down the road, what is it that I want to do and what are some things that I want to accomplish? So if you have an opportunity to participate in her workshop, definitely do so. You will walk away feeling great. You will walk away feeling like, wow, I can get this done. And it won't seem like such a daunting task to be able to come up with 50 items in the next 10 years. So it's been a fabulous workshop. I really enjoyed it. And Tammy, thank you so much for the opportunity to participate in your Vision 2021 workshop.